y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a collaboration with my friend Shelly, and we are doing winter ice inspired looks. Semi-late, but nonetheless, here we are. And she did a pretty fun winter ice look. Fun and crazy, kind of similar to what we do for our creative collab looks. And I did a slightly more wearable look. I did use glitter, but I made it more wearable. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do makeup or beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and staying subscribed and continue to watch my videos. And if you guys want to see this look, keep watching. So I'm starting off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I feel like y'all should expect this by now because I always use it. I'm applying this on my eyes. Today I'm doing a winter icy look. It's going to be slightly wearable. I'm gonna go boring, I know, but I do have things to do after this and I wanted to film this video. So that's what I'm gonna do today. For the crease, I'm gonna start with that first. No, I'm actually gonna start with my brown highlight. This is MAC Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish. And this is a Dew Color number 3. Gonna use that same brush, not really necessary to clean it off. I'm going in with this color from MAC. Don't know which one I'm gonna use. They look so similar. This is Winkle and this is Felt Blue. I think I'm gonna take Felt Blue. This is an old MAC Pro color. I'm not sure if it's still available. One of my favorite colors. I rarely use it because I don't want it to go away. Now I don't care because I have so much makeup to get through, you know. I'm gonna pack it on because it seems really patchy. Don't remember it being like this. As you can see, it kind of has a gray undertone to it, which is nice. Going back in with my brown highlight. I'm kind of going over that to blend downwards because I don't want that color too high, but I do want it blended. And that's semi why I started with my brown highlight first, to make blending easier. Well, it is why I did it. Okay, for the lid, I'm gonna take a silvery color. I really don't do things like this, but because this is a winter ice look, I do want a lot of shimmer, a lot of frost, a lot of glitter. Yes, this is the TheBeautyBeau Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm grabbing this color here. I don't think I've ever used it. Well, it looks like it might be used. This silvery blue here, metallic. We're gonna put that on the lid with a flat brush. I'm actually putting it all the way across. Normally I would put a darker color on the outside, but I don't want to do that this time. I really like this. I'm going back into my crease. I am cleaning it off because I don't want any more highlight in my crease. I do want it to stay blue, but I just want to make sure those edges are lightly blended. Now I'm going into my tear duct area. This is going to be fun because I'm putting a pop of light blue there. I need another flat brush. Didn't know what I was trying to do. Okay, I'm using this brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. I don't know. Oh, it's the 201. It's pretty cool. And I'm taking Clear Sky Blue pigment. This is probably one of my favorites from MAC. This is exactly what it is. It's a matte sky blue color. Someone's calling me. Hold on.
5 minutes later.
Okay, sorry. I'm taking the Clear Sky Blue pigment, as I mentioned. This is my favorite pigment from MAC, probably one of them. And I'm taking this in the tear duct with this flat brush. This is totally optional, but y'all know how I am about that tear duct. I like pop of color there. I'm kind of packing it over. I'm not really sweeping it until I start to blend. Gonna put some glitter on the lid. This is the Lit Cosmetics Tinseltown glitter. It complements this look really well, in my opinion. I'm using for the glitter glue or glitter primer. This is the Hard Candy Showgirl Secret Glitter Glue. I'm gonna take a totally different brush and I'm just gonna put it on the center. I'm not gonna put it all over. Well, I'll put it over entirely. Who cares? And of course, with this, I'm going to look down as much as possible so it doesn't crease. Gonna lightly go back into my crease just to make sure nothing is transferred, and continue to look down and like flick away what's in my lashes. Gonna lightly take some more of that blue, just lightly, trying not to disturb the glitter on my lids. Now I'm gonna do liner for that. Oh god, I have way too much stuff. For liner, I'm actually not sure what I'm gonna do. I kind of want to do blue, but will that be too much? That's too matchy. I think I'm gonna do a bright blue instead of black. That's kind of what I want to do. I think I'm gonna do this one for the liner. Ooh, that would be so fun. I think this one is more wintry. This is Glam Vice Retro Neon Liner in the shade Mood Ring. It's so beautiful.
Oh my god!
So pretty. Wow. I love all of their liners. Basically, you activate it with water and apply it that way. Kind of bothering me. I'm gonna take a brush and flick away as much glitter as possible. More than likely, it's not gonna work because it's gonna be stuck to your face, but it's totally fine. Okay, so just taking some mixing medium. You can use water, whatever you want. Water might actually be better than this that I'm using. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use an actual mixing medium. This is the water-based one from MAC. I don't wanna put random like setting sprays into my container. And you would have to put it in the container to use it. It's like a cake powder liner, if that makes any sense. If you are familiar with those. So I have one drop in here to start. I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place 129 or J129 angled brow brush. Kind of move it around in there to create a paste. Now this isn't gonna break up the product, so don't try to dig your brush in there and break it up. I'm just gonna take this and line my eyes. See how pretty that is? I need a small mirror. I literally can't see this far. Oh wait. Oops. Gonna put another little drop in there just because I want the color to be really opaque, not sheer. Yeah, you can do it as intense as you want, of course. Okay, I think I've been OCD enough now. I do let these dry out. I don't let the water sit in there. I don't know if that's the best idea, but that's what I do. I've been skipping bottom liner lately. I'm not sure if I want to do bottom liner. I think I want to skip again today. I'm gonna do foundation though, of course. Ooh, package. Sorry. Get excited when a package comes. Okay, so now I'm gonna do foundation. This is the Circle Color Balance Liquid Foundation in number 8. I usually take 2 pumps of that, I think. I'm almost done with this. Finally. Maybe in a week or 2 I'll be done. And then this is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Marquises. And the brush, I'm gonna take, actually, a Sedona Lace buffer brush. I rarely use these for foundation, but I'm not really sure why. I need to. I'm stirring the color up on the back of my hand. See, that matches really well. Perfect formula. And I'm packing it around the darker spots on my face. I have a scar now because I cut myself. It was dumb what I did. I won't even tell you. I know not to do it again. Okay, I need a little bit more of the lighter. So I'm mixing that in. Sometimes it takes 3 pumps of that. See how it's lightening it up now. And I don't mind extra coverage now. It's nice for camera. And I'm kind of rotating it side by side to go under my eyes. A little more light color. Now, I'm gonna mix a little more to do my forehead. This is naturally the darkest part of my face, my forehead. So it always looks weird when I put that color up there, even though it looks great on the rest of my face. Because I have to be super precise, I'm going with a pointier brush. This is a Sonia Kashuk foundation brush from Target. I do like it because you can be more precise with it. My face is really shiny with all that foundation on. I'm gonna leave this on the back of my hand in case I need it to blend out something, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer. Oh no, I almost forgot. ColourPop No Filter Concealer Medium Dark 38. I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This is the brightener. They have, I think, actual colors in this too, like medium, medium dark, you know, medium deep, deep dark. But this is specifically the brightener. And I don't do my forehead because it always looks ashy when I try to put highlighter up there because my forehead is darker. I would need to use like a darker brightener up there for it to work probably. So I just don't. For that, I'm just gonna use a concealer brush, clean it off because I've already used this one. Get my closer mirror. Push it really close into those lower lashes, or lower lash line, not the lashes, but down there. And then I pull it down. Oops, I forgot, I can't be looking up like that. I have something in my crease. I have glitter on today. So instead you have to stretch. I'm gonna take that blue color and just kind of push it in a little bit. I'm not adding any more, but I am blending it better than I have it. And if you mess up, you can always go around it with the concealer. Or if you go too far in towards your nose, do the same thing, just clean it up. I'm blending out that other concealer. Just down the middle of everything. And then go around the edges. I'm going in with some setting powder underneath the eyes. I'm actually taking the same powder I used earlier, this Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish, and I pack this underneath the eyes and everywhere else that I highlighted just now. with the concealer. I wish I had more of a yellow based one. I feel like that would look better, but this one's fun too. I avoid my forehead like the Black Plague. Y'all know, because I'm gonna look ashy. For the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX HD finishing powder and I'm essentially blending in the two powders together. Cleaning that off because I do not want the medium plus all over my face. And rather than packing, I'm swirling this over everything. When I get to my forehead, I'm kind of packing it because I don't want powder to swirl into my hair. Natural hair girl problems. I do pack it into my eyebrows too because for some reason those are always shiny. I don't want shiny eyebrows. I'm taking some mascara to top and bottom. This is Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, and because I'm black. For lashes, I'm taking the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes in number 857. They look like this. These are kind of nasty, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna use these random lashes from, I think these are from Cutie Pop. They're so long and wispy. Ooh, I don't know how these gonna work, but I love long lashes. Don't get me wrong. I don't know. They're very pretty though. Where did I get these? No, you know what? I didn't get these from Cutie Pop. I got these from my friend's hair company. He has a hair company called Andrew Malbro Collection. He has products for natural hair and for, you know, regular relaxed hair. Well, regular is not relaxed hair. Regular is natural hair, but for straightened hair, I guess. For all hair types, basically. He sent me these lashes. I don't know if these are for sale, but he sent them to me to try. I think I've used these before. I do like them. They're long and wispy. I just don't know today if that's gonna work with such light eye makeup, I guess. Not light, light colored, I guess. We'll see. Might stand out in a good way. Oh yeah. I'll do the other one. That one's curling perfectly, but that one's not. I need to use my lash curler. Once it dries, I can probably bend them now. They're perfect, as I thought they would be. I'm gonna go ahead and take this makeup off the back of my hand because I will touch something like my white shirt and I have makeup everywhere. Okay, so I can't even tell I had glitter fall out of my face. That's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do highlighter. I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty Metal Moon, and this is a freestyle highlighter. It does have like bluish undertones, so I think it will complement the look really nicely for a great winter ice face. So I'm just taking an e.l.f. fan brush to apply this. Oh wait, this is not the one I intended to use. I intended to use Chills from Fenty Beauty. I knew one of them had a blue undertone. Okay, I can see this one. You probably can too. This one has the blue undertones. It's so pretty. For now, I'm gonna leave that alone because that's a lot and it can look ashy on darker skin too if you aren't careful. I am gonna put this to the side because I might use it to touch up or something. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. For bronzer, this is my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy Sunstalker bronzer. It's the darker or darkest one. Lots of red undertones. I love that. And this is a Fenty Beauty 190 bronzer brush because it's my favorite. My camera might turn off again because it gets overheated easily. I don't like that. I love the camera. That's the thing I hate about it. The camera dying isn't that big of a deal because I have 4 batteries for both of my cameras. So, you know. So I'm gonna go around the entire perimeter of my face with this. The entire perimeter. Go underneath with my powder brush and kind of blend it out. For blush, I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Pre-Nut just on the apples of my cheeks. And it's also gonna kind of blend out the bottom of that highlighter, if it's not blended already. And also blend backwards into the bronzer. For lips, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Shawty Mademoiselle, or Mademoiselle actually, lipstick. I need to wipe the outside of this. There, that's way better cleaned. Sorry. Oh yes, this is perfect. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial, my winter ice look. Also, don't forget to check out Shelly's look. I'll have a link down below for you so you can see her fun winter ice look. Fun collaboration as always. Hers is probably way crazier than mine in a good way and lots more glitter, but we both love glitter. She probably does love it way more than I do. I also love glitter, I just don't wear it nearly as often as I should because when I'm doing makeup, I usually do them to take pictures for like a campaign or something I'm working on for my influencer stuff. But I do experiment from time to time. But nonetheless, I had really fun. I had a lot of fun creating this look. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, Don't forget to check out Shelly's video once again. And I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.